his second attempt to Tryfan. Yeah. Be okay. Be okay. Ah? What?
Nice, eh?
Yeah. This is the best part. Nice, yeah?
Ja. That was not too bad.
Yeah, but that time I was thinking, here is a challenge, you know? But when I was there, I was even inside panicking.
Oh, that way, right?
Panicking just when I finish, but here is, you will see when we're gonna go. This is next level. Now it's, you know, like second breath, you're feeling much better. Closer to heaven. Nice. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! On the top. There. Okay, now. And I was going there. Wait, need to come there on the top of that, that will be ace. No, you need to go on top there, no?
Drone itself 250 grams, but drone only.
Yeah, plus case.
Plus case, plus batteries, plus what are we gonna there?
Yeah.
Oh, fresh truck. Oh, okay.
Don't you worry. Be okay. Be okay.
Fuck.
Here. Oh, very nice. No,
Oh.
not at all. Where is that place where I was going across? Don't know. Scrambling. Here I believe.
Looks like guys from sitting look need some excitement,
Yeah.
like Maciej last time. He would fall. You are now as well, but that's it. Page, Karki.
Where is Karki?
If you're in, they said no extreme sports. Yes.
This is not extreme. Here, Grandpa's is doing.
For insurance it is. Going to the edge. Why did you fall to the edge?
Strong wind pushed me. You see that one? Looks nice.
That's why I said it's here.